I'm going to show you how to set your color picker so that you can always see out-of-gamut colors. As we know, what you see on your screen with RGB, some of that cannot be printed. It doesn't even matter if somebody has an 8-color printer. RGB works by light, not necessarily hues. Cmyk is a subtractive process. You will never be able to print the same colors in RGB in Cmyk, whether you have an 8-color printer or not. Some colors just won't print. So here's how you set your color picker so you can always see out of gamut. I'm going to open my color picker. I'm just going to go to red. Makes it a little bit easier because there's a lot of blue that's out of gamut. And you can see right now in my color picker, I'm out of gamut. This is the out of gamut warning. If I pick the color in the box below, I will get to the closest match. However, I can always see out of gamut colors if I hold Shift, Control, Y. All this gray area is out of gamut. You can see I get the out of gamut warning here. So you can work this way or enable it and disable it whenever you need to. See in purple, there's a whole bunch of out of gamut here. Blues, right? So the whole color spectrum, you can see what is out of gamut. And these colors out here, or when you get a color warning, will not be printed. RGB does not translate exactly to Cmyk. Even if you have an 8-color printer, they won't be printed the same because RGB is light-based. And when you print, there is no light that's coming out like there is in your monitor. So Shift, Control, Y is how you can set your color picker to always show out of gamut colors.